I bet you didn't know these 5 game-changing real estate marketing strategies. Hey there, real estate pros. Welcome to Brand Locally, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in real estate marketing strategies. If your properties aren't attracting buyers, you're in the right place. We know how frustrating it can be to have beautiful homes sitting on the market without any interest. Today, I'm going to share 5 powerful strategies to transform your real estate marketing in 2024. These tips are designed to help you stand out in a competitive market and attract the right buyers. Ready to boost those sales? Let's dive in and get started on making your listings irresistible.
First up, optimize your online listings. This is the foundation of your digital presence. High-quality photos and virtual tours are a must. They provide a comprehensive view of the property and help potential buyers get a feel for the space without having to visit in person. Buyers want to envision themselves in the property, so make it look its best. Stage the home to highlight its best features and create a welcoming atmosphere. Don't just list the basics. Write compelling descriptions that highlight unique features. Got a fireplace, a spacious backyard, a newly renovated kitchen? Make it sound irresistible. Use descriptive language to paint a picture of what life could be like in that home. Next, leverage social media. It's a powerful tool for reaching a wide audience. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook are gold mines for reaching potential buyers. Use these platforms to showcase your listings and engage with your audience. Post regularly and engage with your audience through comments and messages. Responding to inquiries promptly can make a big difference. Share behind-the-scenes looks, success stories, and even market trends. This not only keeps your audience informed, but also builds trust and credibility. Authenticity sells. Be genuine in your posts and let your personality shine through. Now let's talk about SEO. Search engine optimization is crucial for driving traffic to your website. Optimize your website with relevant keywords. Think about what your potential buyers are searching for, and make sure those terms are all over your site. Think about what your potential buyers are searching for, and make sure those terms are all over your site. This will help your listings appear higher in search results. Create valuable content like blogs or videos to drive traffic. Share tips for home buyers, market updates, and neighborhood guides. The more eyes on your site, the better. Increased traffic means more potential buyers seeing your listings. Networking and collaborating are also crucial. Building relationships can open up new opportunities. Partner with local businesses and influencers to expand your reach. They can help you tap into new audiences and build credibility. Attend industry events and build connections. These events are great for meeting potential clients and other professionals in the field. You never know who might be looking to buy or sell a property. Networking can lead to referrals and new business opportunities. Relationships matter. Building strong relationships with clients and other professionals can lead to long-term success. Last but not least, don't forget about email marketing. It's a direct way to reach your audience. Send regular newsletters with market updates and new listings. Keep your audience informed about the latest properties and trends. Use engaging subject lines and strong calls to action. Encourage your readers to take the next step, whether it's scheduling a viewing or contacting you for more information. Keep your audience informed and excited about what you have to offer. Regular communication helps keep you top of mind. So, there you have it. These 5 strategies can help you take your real estate marketing to the next level. Implement these strategies to revitalize your marketing and sell your properties faster. Consistency and creativity are key. Thanks for tuning in to Brand Locally. We hope these tips help you achieve your real estate goals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Stay updated with the latest in real estate marketing. Until next time, happy selling. Keep pushing forward and making those sales.